today we're going to be looking at a new product from Temu. This is the Car's Son tire inflator, as well as a power bank. So this is a rechargeable item, as we see here, 2600 milliamps. LED lighting source, power bank, tire pressure monitor, fast inflation and deflation. So let's open it up, see how many amps this pulls while charging, and then we'll give it a test. So in the box we have a USB cable, so this is just a USB-A to USB-C cable. Everything seems very well packed. Cordless smart tire inflator. Okay, so we have some component names here, what all the buttons and all the plugs do, how to charge the device, how to charge external devices, and your product parameters. Maximum output pressure 150 psi, noise 80 dB. So these tire inflators are generally quite loud. Tire pressure settings, ball, bicycle, motorcycle, car, and custom mode. Types of failures, and then we move on to some other languages here. Spanish, German, Polish, Dutch, Russian, French, Italian, Chinese, some other languages I don't recognize. So yes, quite a comprehensive little manual there. Moving on to the product itself. Very solid, heavy, I like that. Let's peel off the cover here. Long press, 3 seconds on off, light button switch, raise the plus, raise the tire pressure, minus, lower the pressure. The cycle is a short press mode switch, and then long press. Okay, let's just keep this nearby. Never going to remember any of that stuff. There's a rubber. Of course I haven't read the manual, but who does? Here we have a little compartment for the nozzles. So these are your adapters if you want to blow up like bicycles, footballs. Right, so there's your nozzle for your basketballs. Maybe some inflatables. We'll test that out as well. And other adapters. So that's a nice place to keep that stuff safe and sound, because you always seem to lose the adapters. On the side we have let me zoom out a little bit. So in the side we have the pressure hose. that obviously just screws into there, nice and compact. And then your adapters screw into there, so that's a bicycle, and then that would just screw directly onto the car. So this does swivel, so that's perfect. Right, first power up, press hold the power button, boots up, it says on, battery says full, nice clear LED, so you could obviously set your tire pressures there. It has a picture of a car, motorbike, bicycle and ball. And then obviously that's just your user custom setting. Yes, I like it. I like it. If it does what it's meant to do. So here's your deflate button. And then there's a button here for the light. So a nice little light there. Let's leave that on for a while, just to draw down the battery. I'm interested to see how many amps is pulled by the device while it's charging. I'll be plugging this into a 100-watt charger, so we definitely be able to see max current pulled by this device. For the price of this device, having this tucked away in the boot of your car is definitely worth it. You never know when something as simple as a tire inflator can save the day. So I switched the torch off, and while I was pressing the light button there were some other modes, so let's just go through those quickly. So one press, you just get your normal LED. One more press, you get your sort of police red blue, and then a flashing red. That's obviously your SOS. One more press and off. Then I left it like this. Obviously I'm trying to draw down the battery a little bit, and the device self-powered off, so that's good. Right, let's plug in a phone so we can use it as a power bank. We've got two slots on the top of the device, USB-A, USB-C. Let's try the USB-C to USB-C. You see, it powered off by itself. Okay, plugging in the USB-C to USB-C. We get a flashing battery, and the phone is not charging. It looks like the device is charging from the phone. So, powering on the device. No. Okay, so obviously the output is the USB-A. Right, plugging in the USB-A, we get a USB sign pop up there. Charging. Doesn't say fast charging. Okay, let's plug in a USB meter and see what sort of amps we're getting here. So the device doesn't need to be powered on for the power bank to work. We're getting a very respectable 1.8 amps there at 5 volts. So that's more than enough to charge up your phone, tablet and such. The next test I can do on the bench, let's plug in this beach volleyball. Okay, screw on the adapter. Let's power on the device. Switch over to ball mode. that was perfect. Not too loud. And this ball is pumped up. So chuck this in the beach bag. Okay, so now that we've done a few jobs with it, let's plug in a charger, see what sort of amps it pulls. So the battery light flashes when it charges. It's pulling 7 volts at 1.26 amps. But I feel that this battery is full, so probably the lower it is, the more amps it's going to pull. Right, so let's connect this pump up to a car tire, see what it looks like. So no adapter is needed for that. Let's change the units. So 35.2. Okay, so according to the sticker in the door jamb, rear tires 33 psi. We got 35. Let's try the function to let out some air. 34.9. So you press and hold, and then let's air out. 32. 31. 30. Right, so let's try and add some air. There we go, back up to 33. Perfect. Okay, so that comes to the end of this review for this product. Tire Inflator power bank torch combo. First impressions are pretty good. It does what it says on the box, and I'm quite happy to recommend this product. I'll leave a link in the description. As always, thanks for watching. Remember, there's always a fix, and I'll see you in the next one.